will again Google Chrome in danger. If you are using Google Chrome without update, then your data system and your devices are in danger. Recently, news came that more than 30 vulnerabilities. It's not a joke. More than 30 vulnerabilities reported on Google Chrome and 7 vulnerabilities highly reported from Indian Cyber Sureksha that can be harm your device's system and your data. So, do update your latest Chrome browser version 101.0.4951.41. It's latest version of Google Chrome. I saw some devices not able for update this version, so those person can switch Chrome browser and shift on another private safe browser like DuckDuckGo. DuckDuckGo is the best private safe browser for browsing where I am using this browser, so my experience, it's the best private safe browser for a browser. If you like this video, then do subscribe and share it with your friends.